Hello, welcome to my house and welcome to my channel. I'm Laura Cepeda and today I'm going to show you a different stitch that I don't know why I haven't taught you in previous videos. This is a stitch that I love and that I'm sure that it will be perfect for your coming summer projects. You will see that you will learn how to combine the colors, how to change the color during the stitch, and also in a plain color. In just one color, I think it will look so pretty too. You can make blouses, you can make a blanket, you can make a vest, you can make a baby jacket, you can make a baby bodysuit, you can make a lot of things with this stitch. But well, let's don't lose more time and don't forget to subscribe. To buy all the materials that I use in all my videos, you can visit my online store www.lauracepeda.es and we will send it right to your house. Well, in this case I'm going to use a fine material and a hook of number 3.5 and we will start making chains. In this case I'm going to use this color. If you want, you can make this stitch too for winter season, okay? You can use maybe a Fine Angorita Yarn and you can make your project and it will look amazing too. Maybe you can make a shawl or a sweater or a vest using that yarn and you will transform this project into a winter project, but it will be basically the same. In this case I'm going to use this color and I will combine it with this one too. Or you can make it in just one color and it will look good too. Well, the secret of this stitch is that you must make the number of chains that you need, but you must have multiples of 6 plus 2 stitches each side. In this case I'm going to make 48 plus 2, I will have 50. So at the end of the 48, 2 more, we will count 1, 2, 3, and in the fourth we will make the first double crochet. Remember, this is double crochet of 2 crochets. Then in the next, a double crochet. And it's very important to see where we insert the hook, okay? We should insert the hook right here in the below part of the chain. And like this is how we are going to continue for the rest of the row. Please check where you insert your hook, okay? Because if not, we may increase in stitches and we don't want that. But well, let's finish this row first and then we will continue with the second one and we will change color. But well, see you there. Well, at the end of the row, you are going to change color. If you don't want, well, you can continue with the same color. But well, I will teach you how we can make it changing color. We are just going to make a knot right here and then we will continue with the stitch. We will go up with 3 chains, 1, 2, 3. We will skip 1, 2, and in the third we are going to make a V. So this means we are going to make a double crochet, 2 chains, and in the same space a double crochet, taking both parts of the chain, okay? You see where I insert my hook, then 3 chains, skip 2, and in the third single crochet, and again 3 chains, skip 1, 2, and in the third double crochet, 2 chain, and a V. And like this is how we are going to continue the whole row with this sequence. At the end of the row, turn around and we will go up with 1, 2, 3 chains, and inside the V we are going to make a puff. So we will yarn over before, insert the hook, pull, yarn over, pull. We will keep with this finger all the threads. We will insert the hook 3 times and then we will 4, and then we will bring them through. Remember that before we insert the hook in this space, we yarn over, then 2 chains, and again we will repeat this 4 times. Bring them through, 1 chain, and then 1, 2 chains, and in the same space again 4 times we will insert the hook and before we will yarn over, remember. Bring them through and 1 chain. So look, this is how the sequence will go, okay? Then we will continue, we will make 1, 2 chains and we will go right to the next V and we will repeat. You see how I'm holding with my finger all the stitches here, then I will bring them through, one chain, then two chains more, and we will repeat. Before we insert, we yarn over, and we will repeat 4 times, 3 and 4. Bring them through, one chain, let me take more yarn, then 2 chains, and again 1. Okay, yarn over. So here we have 1. We will hold it in the with the finger in the hook, 2, 3 and 4. Bring them through, one chain, and you see, then 2 chains, and we will repeat. Okay, we will repeat this in all the V's. Let's finish this row and see you at the end. Well, look, at the end of the row we will make the last double crochet of the edge, but look, here we are going to take both threads so we can go up with the 2 colors and we can change it without cutting the thread. So we will take both threads and we will make the last double crochet. You see? So now we have both colors there. We will change color in the next row. We will make 2 chains still holding both colors, then we will lift the colored thread and we will continue with the beige. We will make 1 chain, and in this space we will make a double crochet, now only using the plain color. Then 1 chain, and in the next space a double crochet. Again 1 chain, and also in the next space a double crochet. Let's see if making only 1 chain between each double crochet it's okay, but I think so far it's good, right? Then 1 chain again, and in the next space a double crochet, and again 1 chain and a double crochet in the next space. I will go a little bit faster. And as you see, we are going to make in each space here between puff and also between shells, and we will repeat. And this is basically the sequence that we will follow the whole row. And we will finish the row making the last double crochet. Okay? Now we will continue with the same color. We will turn around and we will repeat the first row of the series. We will go up with 3 chains and we will make double crochets in all the stitches. Okay, as you see, we are making this row, then the second row is the row of bees, then the third row is the row of puff, and this is the 4th row of double crochet in each space. So this will be 1 series, and like this you will repeat as many series as you need according to the project that you are using this stitch for. Well, as you see, it's very easy to follow this series. Remember that we started with 50 stitches, okay? So we must have here 50 stitches too. If we don't have, and if we add some of those stitches, here is a perfect opportunity to fix it and come back with the 50 stitches that we have at the beginning, so we can complete this series. So it's very important that before we start a new series, we count if we have 50 stitches. So we will make 1 over the double crochet and 1 over the space that we have here. Okay, so we will repeat 1 over the double crochet and 1 over the space, and like this the whole row until we complete 50. Well, at the end of the row we will change color. We will finish making this double crochet, both taking both threads, and we will go up with both colors. And now we will leave the plain color of beige and we will continue with the other color. Okay, in this case I'm going to use this pink, and we are going to make the second row of the series. So remember that we made 3 chains and then we make here a V. So we are going to repeat. We will go up with 1, 2 chains. We will skip 1, 2, and in the third a double crochet, then 2 chains, and in the same space a double crochet, then 3 chains, 1, 2, and in the third single crochet, and then this, and like this is how we are going to continue. We will repeat the second row of the series, remember. Well, here at the end of the row we are going to finish with a single crochet, and we are going to make a knot to start with the next color. Oh no, sorry, I confused. Sorry, we are going to continue with this color. Now we are going to make the third row of the series, so we are going to make the puff. I'm so sorry, I got confused. So we will go up with 3 chains, and in the space over inside and the V is where we are going to make the puff. Remember that we are going to turn over before we insert the hook, and we will insert the hook 4 times. Once we have all the threads there, we are going to bring them through 1 chain, then 2 chains, and again 1, 2, 3, and 4. Bring them through 1 chain, 2 chains more, and again we will repeat. What I love of using this yarn that it's going from one color to another, that it's decorated and it's changing colors in pastels, it's that each row is different, so you will see will look so beautiful. Remember that we will finish the third row of the series, then we are going to change color in the fourth row of the series. We are going to make the mesh, and then we will repeat as many series as we need according to the project that we are making this stitch for. Okay, for now let's finish this row. Well, at the end of the row we will go up with both colors. Remember that we will take both threads together, and we are going to make the last double crochet. And once we have this color here, well, we are going to turn around, and now we are just going to continue with the plain color, in this case the beige. 1, 2 chains, 3 chains. So yes, we will go up with 3 chains, and now we are going to make the row of mesh of the squares. Okay, so we will make the double crochet, 1 chain, and then a double crochet in each space, remember, between puff and between shells. So this is how we are going to continue the whole row, and now let's see how it looks. Well, as you see, I continue making more rows following the same sequence. Remember that every time that we change series and we are about to start a new one, it's important that we count how many stitches we have, and remember, according as the base of your project, you are going to have the same number each series. Okay, so it's very important that we count. So I hope that you have enjoyed making this stitch with me. Remember that you can use it in so many different projects, and also in winter too. I hope that you have liked it. Please don't forget to subscribe to this channel. Don't forget to give me a like, and see you in the coming video. Thank you so much. See you soon. Bye.